located in North India state of Uttar Pradesh. It is 204 kilometers from Delhi and well connected by air, train and road transport. The Delhi-Agra flight takes about 40 minutes. There are many trains between Delhi and Agra like the Taj Express, the Palace of Wheels, etc. Agra station is known as Agra Cantonment Station. Agra is also connected to Delhi by an excellent national highway. Luxury taxis, buses or carriage cars takes you to Agra in about 3 hours. Agra main bus terminal are Lagar bus stand and Agra Fort bus stand.
Agra has become world famous as a home to the enchanting Taj Mahal. It is one of the most beautiful pieces of architecture. It was built on the bank of river Yamuna by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. Taj Mahal is made of white marbles with beautiful inlay work. It has a beautiful garden in the forefront. The work of Taj Mahal started in 1631 AD and it took 22 years for 20,000 people are completed it. The construction material was bought from different parts of India, China, Tibet, Sri Lanka and Arabia. The famous Agra Fort lies 2 kilometers away from Taj Mahal. The construction of fort was started by Akbar and was completed during Shah Jahan's period. The two main entrances to the front are called Delhi Gate and Amar Singh Gate. Agra Fort consists of many buildings like Jahangir Mahal, Khas Mahal, Musamun Burj, Diwani Khas and Sheesh Mahal. Fatehpur Sikri is 37 kilometers away from Agra. The town was built completely in red sandstone. The sloping levels of Fatehpur were connected with terraces where different buildings were built like Jami Masjid, Buland Darwaza, Tomb Sheikh Salim Chishti, Pence Mahal and Anup Talo. The town had a most well-planned draining and water supply system. It is a very convenient to move around Agra as taxi, auto rickshaw, cycle rickshaw or tanga are easily available. Diesel or petrol vehicles are not allowed to play in the Taj Mahal area to preserve the beauty of great monument. Only pollution-free battery-operated vehicles, tanga, camels, cart and rickshawala are allowed. The famous garden is located on the terraces of Krishna Raj Sagar Dam in Mysore across river Kaveri. It was built in 1932 by Krishna Raja Vandrier IV, a great lover of garden. The musical fountains are the special attraction that showcase a wonderful harmony of water, colors and music every evening. The Mysore Palace, it was the residence of Wadiyar rules. The place is now as a museum that houses great treasures of painting, jewelry, royal customs and other items. The golden royal elephant throne in the Durbar Hall and the Kalyan Mandap wedding hall are the main attraction here. Mysore Palace has a unique French clock. Every hours a parade by men soldiers is displayed. The beating drums by the soldier mark the second and bungle marks the minutes. The royal elephant throne contains 84 kilograms of 24-karat golds. Kebul Lamjao National Park, it was only floating national park in the world. It is 53 kilometers from Imphal. The park is composed of massive mass of floating weeds. The fishermen live in floating huts. The park is famous for the endangered brown and threatened deer of Manipur, Sangai. Loktak Lake and Sandra Island. Loktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in eastern India and is big attraction of fishing. The tourists can enjoy their stay in the beautiful bungalows situated close to the Sandra Island. The Loktak Lake is also world famous for a great variety of orchids. Visited Manipur. Situated in the northeast part of India, Manipur is known as Jewels of India due to its natural beauty. The population is the mixture of many tribes, each with a unique culture. Manipur is well connected to the major cities of India by air. The airport is in Imphal, the capital of Manipur. Manipur is not very well connected with other part of the country via railway. The nearest railway junctions are at Silchar in Assam and Dimapur in Nagaland. Manipur has a good network of national and state highways.